Tired of your videos being out of order on Amazon? Here's a simple fix. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's an example of a listing. If you click on the videos right here, this video icon, you're going to see...
Okay, let's talk kegels. No, they're not just another women's magazine workout.
You're going to see that it has way more than 2 videos. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 6 videos. What if they needed a how-to video and it needs to show up first? So this video all the way at the bottom, what if this video, they want this one to show up first, right? How do you do that? Well, to do that, it's a little bit complicated, but all you have to do is go into Amazon Seller Central, go to Catalog, and then you're going to go to Upload and Manage Videos. Once you're here, you're going to type in your ASIN like this one, and then there's going to be multiple videos. It's going to have all 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all going to be showing right here. All you're going to do is download every single video. So click on Manage, and then you're going to download the video. So just download, make sure you have them all saved. They're all downloaded. Then you're going to delete them. So you're going to click this button, delete them. After they're deleted, you're going to re-upload them in the order you want them to be in. Now, if I upload this one first, so this one all the way at the bottom in green, if I upload that first, it's going to be last. Okay, so it's the latest one that's uploaded. So if I want this one to be first, I'm going to upload this one last. So again, maybe I'll upload this as number 1. I'll upload this one first. Then Amazon approves it. Then I'll upload this one. Then I'll upload this one. Wait 2 days, make sure Amazon approves it. Then I'll upload this one, then this one, and then this one, okay? So it gets pushed down. So if I whatever one I upload first, and then I wait 2 days, I upload another one, this one gets pushed down to second. Then I upload another one, this one gets pushed down from second to third, and it goes on. I think you kind of get the gist. So whatever you upload, the latest upload shows up as number 1 on your videos. So just go through that and then you'll be able to change the order of your videos, no problem. You can always delete the other videos if needed, and that can also push them up to first. But that's it for today's video. Got any other Amazon listing questions? Leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you on your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is what will manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue, doing designs yourself, infringement, all that stuff. We'll do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.